Today, we look at how lifestyle factors can influence hair loss. Understanding these factors can help you take proactive steps towards maintaining healthy hair. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals is essential for healthy hair. Nutrients like biotin, iron, and vitamin E play a crucial role in hair growth. Conversely, poor nutrition can lead to hair thinning and loss. Incorporate foods like leafy greens, nuts, and lean proteins to support your hair health. Chronic stress can disrupt hair growth cycles, leading to hair loss. Stress management techniques, such as meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises, can help reduce stress levels and promote hair health. Prioritizing self-care and relaxation can make a noticeable difference. Regular exercise improves circulation, including blood flow to the scalp, which is essential for healthy hair growth. Activities like jogging, cycling, and even brisk walking can enhance overall health and, by extension, the health of your hair. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days of the week. Simple lifestyle changes can significantly impact your hair health. From a nutritious diet and stress management to regular exercise, each step you take can contribute to healthier, stronger hair. Stay proactive and take care of yourself.